Okay, now, yeah, exactly. That's exactly what we're trying to do. And so you've already done this, which is a bummer. So let me just set it up for the camera, even though you might know this.
Right.
Okay. So the idea is these bottles in particular do dispense the same size drop each time. Okay. So there's one drop. Now, how many drops do you think that penny can hold?
About 20.
About 20. What do you think, Dad?
I'll say 18.
18. What do you think, Becca?
Like 35.
What do you
35.
think, Ginger?
Are you ready? Here we go. You help me count. That was 1.
Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You were exactly right.
35. Okay, now, that's with cold water. Dad, can we use your napkin for a second? That was with cold water. Let's try it again with hot water.
All right, can I do the dropping
You
this time?
absolutely can. Now, the only rule is your hand has to be touching the table when you drop. That way we don't drop from too high
Right,
up.
because it'll be like,
Splash.
splash.
Okay, ask Dad if he's ready.
Ready?
Ready. I think it's going to be more with hot
I
water.
think it'll be less. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Can you hold a little bit higher?
18,
So we can see him drop.
19, 20, 21, 22,
23,
24,
4,
25,
6,
26,
7, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 7, 38, 39, 40.
Oh wow, I'm just taking a break.
Careful, it'll spill over if you wiggle the table. Oh.
41.
41.
Can I try it one more time? Because I'm curious. Because I think your drops might have been a little bit different in size just because they were coming out at an
All right.
angle, which is fine.
I'm gonna do the cold water on
Okay.
this one at the same time.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That makes more sense.
It was supposed to be less.
It should be less, but when you're showing the
No,
angle, I
Hers
was
were
looking.
kind of tiny. Hers were like little drippies.
So here's the deal. You still did? Yeah, hers were kind of dripping and just fine.
Did you see that, Eli?
Yeah, it
So
was like
it ended up being 17.
17.
Now, can we talk about that for a second? Because it directly relates to this.
Because angry things are more likely to have meltdowns than other things.
So, and what's the difference between hot water and cold water?
That one's sort of angry and one's not.
Right. Do you So do you know what that happens on a scientific level? You know what happens?
What?
The molecules in hot water speed up. They start moving faster. In cold water, here you gotta listen because this is the important part. In cold water, they're slower. They don't bump into each other. And so what happens is if you got fast moving energy and you got surface tension, it breaks the edges faster. If you got slower moving energy, right? And so when people get more hot in their emotions, it's more likely to break the surface tension. Do you know what I realized though?
What?
This right here definitely increased the energy in your body. Your tolerance for that versus this, which did not increase the energy in your body too high, was much lower than this one, which is fine. It's the way it should be, right? But the other thing that I noticed...
Not the mousetrap again.
No, I'm not going to do anything with it. The other thing that I noticed was your ability to tolerate that. You could hold a lot more than you thought. You could hold a lot of energy here, more than you thought you could. And that's an important thing to remember, is when you're learning and you're getting excited and you're getting kind of nervous, you can hold more than you think you can.
Alright.
And you know what we did with that? We
Hold.
put that penny in everybody's name tag in Brazil, so they actually walked up, and when they were nervous to talk to a new person, they could see the penny in the other person's name tag, and you know what they realized?
What?
I can handle this. I can hold this tension more than I think I can. And we also used it to remind them that their kids can handle more than they think they can. They don't have to do everything for them.